But what are the set parameters? You must enhance the level of freedom, media freedom in this country. What are the limitations? Still, the race, religious card. To me, people say, well, Anwar is not consistent. It's not true. Royalty is something else that's beyond us. They've insisted that since they are not players, they can respond as other politicians can, so they want to be given that reprieve. But if you continue to use every single issue from race card, these people should be questioned. Never mind what laws, what amended laws. Because to my mind, you can talk about freedom, you can talk about economic growth, but I don't want to sacrifice security of this country. It sounds like the reactionary. But I don't want to use this also to condone some unnecessary actions. I mean, there have been some cases that the police took action, and I've advised them, don't. When it comes to, for example, burning Anwar's photo or calling Anwar, Turun Anwar, whatever, I said, let it be. But of course there's a limit when you say, you go and say that he, as I said just now, he has AIDS. Okay, he's a paid agent of Israel. I mean, there are also some limits, I mean. So I think whilst we should not use these instances to curb freedom, okay, which means the Media Council has this task of advising them on where are the specific legislation or parts of the legislation or provisions that inhibit freedom. You can advise. Now I will certainly convey it to the cabinet and to Fahmi to take up seriously the recommendations. But of course, we need some very responsible media too, because everybody is competing, and they can be champion of their various races and factions. It can be nasty for the country. We went through hell. People tend to forget the fact that this is a multiracial, multireligious country. So allow some space, but you must also draw the line. Is this a statement to curb? No. But at least to recommend to us what are the limits. You tell us. It's not the Ministry of Home Affairs. Let the Media Council advise us what you think should be the line to be drawn.
Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the evening.